The holidays are around the corner, and there's something magical about capturing your family's celebrations from the sky. Whether you're documenting Christmas morning, winter adventures, or those festive gatherings that only happen once a year, the right drone makes all the difference. But here's the thing. You don't need to spend a fortune to get cinematic quality footage that'll make your holiday memories last forever. Welcome to Top Tech Now, where we help you find the best tech for your budget. Right now, during the busiest gift-giving season of the year, we're breaking down 5 incredible budget drones that deliver professional results without the premium price tag. These aren't toy drones that'll disappoint on Christmas morning. These are legitimate tools for capturing stunning aerial footage, and they're all priced to make holiday shopping a whole lot easier. The holiday season is actually the perfect time to get into aerial photography. Winter landscapes look absolutely stunning from above. Snowy scenes create incredible contrast, and nothing captures those festive family moments quite like smooth footage from a bird's eye view. All product links are in the description with the best prices we could find, making your holiday shopping easier than ever. So let's dive into 5 drones that prove you can capture incredible holiday memories without emptying your wallet. Let's kick things off with something that's been turning heads all season. The DJI Neo redefines what a budget drone can do, especially during those cozy indoor holiday gatherings. Weighing just 135 grams, this tiny powerhouse is lighter than your smartphone and fits perfectly in your coat pocket. That means you can bring it to every holiday party, family dinner, or winter outing without even thinking about it. What makes this drone perfect for the holidays is how incredibly easy it is to use. There's no complicated setup, no fumbling with controllers while everyone's waiting. You literally place it on your palm, press a button, and watch it take off. Your grandmother could fly this thing, and that's not an exaggeration. It captures smooth footage in 4K quality with built-in stabilization that handles everything from windy winter days to quick indoor movements. The full propeller guards mean you can safely fly it around your Christmas tree or during indoor celebrations without worrying about accidents. Here's where it gets really cool for holiday content creators. The DJI Neo includes 8 intelligent shooting modes that automatically track you and create cinematic shots. Imagine filming your family's holiday traditions with follow mode, keeping you perfectly centered as you bake cookies or decorate the house. The AI subject tracking works like magic, keeping everyone in frame whether you're sledding down a hill or building a snowman in the backyard. With 18 minutes of flight time and 22 gigabytes of internal storage, you can capture an entire day of holiday memories without constantly swapping batteries or memory cards. The only thing to keep in mind is that there's no obstacle avoidance, so you'll want to be mindful when flying in crowded spaces. But honestly, the propeller guards and lightweight design make any bumps completely harmless. This drone is best for anyone who wants effortless holiday content creation with professional results, making it an absolute winner for capturing this year's festive memories. Next up, we have the Ruko F11 Mini. And if you're shopping for someone who's brand new to drones or you want to maximize flight time without breaking the bank, this is worth serious consideration. Coming in as the most budget-friendly option on our list, this drone proves you don't need to spend a fortune to join the aerial photography community this holiday season. The standout feature here is the flight time. You get 2 batteries right in the box, giving you a full 60 minutes of flying time to capture all those holiday moments. That's enough to film an entire Christmas morning, a winter hike, or a holiday gathering from start to finish without interruption. The drone weighs under 249 grams, keeping it in that friendly category where you don't need special registration in most places, making it a hassle-free gift for anyone on your list. With a brushless motor and GPS auto-return functionality, the F11 Mini offers reliability that beginners will appreciate during the holidays. If your giftee gets nervous and loses sight of the drone while filming your family's snowy adventures, one button press brings it safely home. The drone includes intelligent flight modes like Follow Me and Waypoint Flight, which means whoever receives this as a gift can create impressive shots of sledding runs or holiday light displays with minimal effort. The camera captures footage in 4K, and while it won't compete with professional setups, it's more than capable of recording great holiday memories. The included carry bag is perfect for traveling to relatives' houses during the season, keeping everything organized and protected. The 5 GHz transmission ensures a stable connection even in areas with lots of wireless interference from all those holiday gadgets and smart home devices. The main limitation is that the camera quality is more basic compared to premium options, and there's no mechanical stabilization. However, when you consider the price point and the sheer amount of flight time you're getting, this drone delivers incredible value for holiday gift giving. This is best for budget-conscious shoppers who want maximum flying time to capture all those special seasonal moments, because sometimes the best gift is simply having your drone in the air when the magic happens. Then we have the Potensic Atom SE, which might just be the sweet spot for holiday shoppers who want serious features without the flagship price. This drone has been making waves in the budget category, and after flying it through winter weather and holiday events, it's easy to see why it's becoming so popular this season. The Atom SE comes with a Sony sensor that captures genuinely impressive 4K footage and 12 megapixel photos in both JPEG and RAW formats. That RAW capability is huge for holiday photos because it means you can really dial in those winter colors during editing, making your snowy landscapes and twinkling lights look absolutely magical. The electronic image stabilization keeps footage smooth even when winter winds pick up during outdoor holiday filming. What makes this drone special for the holidays is its portability and flight time. It folds down small enough to fit in a jacket pocket, so you can bring it along to every holiday adventure. Each battery delivers 31 minutes of flight time, which is plenty for capturing a holiday event from start to finish. The drone uses both GPS and GLONASS positioning for rock-solid stability, meaning your holiday footage stays smooth and professional-looking, even in challenging conditions. The intelligent flight modes are perfect for creating festive content. Circle Flight can orbit your decorated house or holiday display. Follow Me keeps you centered while you're skating or walking through holiday markets, and Points of Interest lets you showcase that incredible light display the neighbors put up. The control range extends up to 4 kilometers, and the drone can zip along at 16 meters per second when you need to cover ground quickly. Now, it doesn't have obstacle avoidance, so you'll need to be careful flying around decorated trees or buildings with lots of holiday lights. The controls can feel a bit sensitive at first, especially in the slower modes, but most people adjust after a few flights. This is best for holiday enthusiasts who want excellent image quality and reliable performance for capturing seasonal memories. Because when you're documenting once-a-year traditions, having a drone that just works is priceless. Before we continue with the last 2 drones, if you're finding this helpful for your holiday shopping, do us a huge favor and hit that subscribe button. We test gear year-round so you can make confident decisions during the busy shopping season. And remember, all the product links are in the description below with current pricing, so you can easily compare and grab the best deals before the holidays. Now, let's look at 2 more incredible options that could be perfect for your list. Finally, we have the HoverAir X1, and this drone takes a completely different approach that's perfect for active holiday celebrations and winter sports. If you're shopping for someone who wants to capture themselves in action during holiday activities, or if you enjoy skiing, snowboarding, or winter hiking, this self-flying camera is absolutely worth considering. The HoverAir X1 is incredibly lightweight at just 125 grams and features fully enclosed propellers, making it one of the safest drones for flying around people during holiday gatherings. What sets it apart is the controller-free operation. You don't need a remote. You don't need complicated app setup. You simply unfold it, press a button to select a flight mode, and place it on your palm. It takes off automatically and starts tracking you immediately. This hands-free approach is perfect for holiday activities where you want to be in the moment while still capturing footage. Imagine heading out for a winter hike with family and having this little drone follow along, documenting the whole adventure without you touching a controller once. The AI subject tracking is incredibly sophisticated, keeping you perfectly centered whether you're moving fast or slow. The pre-programmed flight modes include Follow, Orbit, and Bird's Eye, each designed to create specific cinematic shots that make your holiday videos look professionally produced. The camera records up to 2.7K footage at 30 frames per second or 1080p at 60 frames per second. While that's not quite 4K, the footage quality is excellent, and the built-in stabilization ensures smooth results even during fast movements. It also includes 32 gigabytes of internal storage, so you're not dealing with memory cards during cold winter shoots. One unique feature is audio recording through your phone's app, which captures your voice while automatically filtering out propeller noise, perfect for narrating holiday vlogs. The flight time is shorter at around 11 minutes, and the drone uses visual positioning rather than GPS, which means it works brilliantly indoors during those cozy holiday gatherings, but has limitations outdoors in certain conditions. There's no return to home feature, so you need to catch it when it lands. However, the safety cage means any landing is harmless. This is best for capturing yourself during active holiday adventures and winter sports, because sometimes the best holiday gift is the ability to be in your own footage without asking someone else to hold the camera. Last on our list is the DJI Mini 4K, and this drone represents what happens when an industry leader focuses on delivering maximum value for holiday shoppers. This might be the most well-rounded option here, combining DJI's legendary reliability with features that punch well above its price point, making it an outstanding gift choice for anyone serious about aerial photography this season. The Mini 4K captures true 4K footage at 30 frames per second with a 3-axis mechanical gimbal. That gimbal is the key difference maker here, providing silky smooth stabilization that electronic systems simply can't match. Your holiday footage will look incredibly professional, with none of that digital warping you sometimes see from purely electronic stabilization. The camera shoots 12-megapixel photos in both JPEG and RAW formats, giving serious holiday photographers room to perfect their winter landscapes and festive shots. Flight performance is where DJI's experience really shines. You get 31 minutes of flight time per battery, level 5 wind resistance that handles winter gusts like a champ, and DJI's O2 transmission system providing a solid 10-kilometer range with virtually zero lag. The GPS positioning is rock solid, and the auto return to home feature works flawlessly, which is incredibly reassuring when you're flying in cold conditions where batteries drain faster. The beginner-friendly features make this an excellent gift even for complete novices. The DJI Fly app includes clear tutorials, intelligent flight modes like quick shots and panorama that create stunning holiday content with one tap, and a streamlined interface that doesn't overwhelm new pilots. The drone weighs under 249 grams, keeping it in that hassle-free category for most regulations, and it folds down small enough to pack for holiday travel. What it doesn't include is obstacle avoidance, relying instead on downward sensors for landing assistance. For the holidays, this means you'll want to be careful around decorated areas with lots of hanging ornaments or light strands. But the overall flight characteristics are so refined and predictable that most people won't find this limiting. This is best for anyone who wants the most polished, professional-feeling drone experience at a budget price, because when you're capturing precious holiday memories, having that DJI reliability and image quality makes all the difference. So there you have it. 5 fantastic drones that prove you don't need to spend a fortune to capture incredible holiday memories from the sky. Whether you're treating yourself this season or checking names off your gift list, any of these drones will deliver way more joy and creative possibility than their price tags suggest. The holidays are all about creating memories with the people you love, and having the right gear to document those moments makes them last forever. If this list helped narrow down your holiday shopping, show some love by hitting that like button and subscribing for more tech reviews throughout the year. Drop a comment below letting us know which drone made your list this season, and check out those product links in the description for current pricing. From all of us here at Top Tech Now, have an incredible holiday season, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy flying!